Why not Bangkok? Here I am in Thailand on Soi 4, looking for street food eats. I know, not the normal thing people are going to this street for, but that is what I'm doing. This guy has some stuff over there. See what he's got. Got a coconut. Oh yeah, Swadee Cup. Oh, look at this. I think I'm going to keep looking. I was looking at the Packer Pow, but it was 120 baht, which seems a little steep. I don't know. Maybe it's just because of the street I'm on or not, but I used to buy them for 25 baht at a market, so I feel like 40 to 60 is fair, but that's double the price. Swadee Cup. Ooh. How right cup? 60. Okay, thank you. I gotta brush up on my Thai again. I can ask the price, but then I kind of get a little lost. I know has 5. Noon Song Sam Si Ha Ho. It might have been 60 baht. Not the worst price. I kind of just like fluster up when I don't know the price and walk away. Woo! It's pretty beautiful though. You can hear all the birds chirping, all the beautiful trees. For being a street known for its the adult playground district, it's got its charm still. Look at this. So it's quite interesting here. All these boys sitting on the side there, those are motorcycle taxis, and they had like a little spot where they can make coffees and all that jazz, because some places in the town, they set up these little spots that you know you can come walk up to and get a motorbike taxi. So that's kind of cool because those boys hang out there so much, they set up a little table to be able to make beverages and hang out while waiting for someone to drive around the town. Tuk tuk. Nice shrine. It's only been 3 days here in Thailand, and I haven't really heard the notorious tuk tuk. I remember it used to be like every single one of them asking if you wanted to go. I bet it's still going to happen, but I wonder if they've simmered down a little bit. Some sort of chicken soup. Oh, it's nice to be on the slight shady side over here on this side of the street. I was dying over on the left side there. Truthfully, when I came down here to Soi 4, I thought there was going to be a lot more street food, but it's mostly just samtam, meat, and some fruit sellers. And I had a goal of getting 1 baht before I found these water machines, but I made it to the other side of the street. So this is right here where Shelby and I get water. So you can put in coins between 1, 2, 5, and 10 baht. And it's about 1 baht a liter. And there's actually 2 machines here at the end of Soi 4. I just have a 10 baht, but I got all my bottles, so I have to break it somehow. Wonder if there's a 7-Eleven close by. I'll try and buy something that's like 49 or 48 so I can get some coins. Oh, the famous Benjakitti Park's right up front too. Oh, hey street dog. You got a collar though. Looking a little mangy. The smell right now is very intense. It's like taking my breath away. You can just imagine. I don't know, maybe some sludge sewage floating around there. Coming from this little shack. That's some intense living right there. The living situations that some people have are quite nuts. Oh my goodness, one of the first times we came to Thailand, we walked this thing. It's so cool. It kinda, in the heat of the day though, it looks nicely shaded right now. But if you get up here and there's no shade, there's only exits every once in a while, so you can kind of die up there, especially if you don't get enough water packed with you. Just a little shack and then boom, big condo living right beside it. So crazy. Let's go check out Benjakitti Park. If I remember, maybe it was Lumpini Park that had monitor lizards, but let's go look and see if we can find a lizard over there. Gotta keep your eyes peeled. There might be one right here. Not gonna find any street food in here. Benjakitti Park. Which, they got drinking water in here? Where the heck's that? Bathroom, so you are here. Drinking water's all the way down here. That'd be pretty intense. So we got a mangrove forest, freshwater swamp forest trees. They have it all sectioned in. This is kind of cool. But yeah, drinking water. Do I trust it? Is there actually going to be drinking water all the way over there? Nice gym. Okay, so if we walk over to the right and go all the way down, water. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to put the sunglasses and bucket hat on. I'm gonna have to suit up for the hot weather. Look at this. We're just in the freaking dead heat here in Benjakitti Park. This looks way different than I remember. Check it out, we got a bunch of little fish in there. We're going for the trek, guys. Hopefully you like a nice relaxing park stroll, because this is nice. Right in the center of Bangkok. You can just come in here, relax. If you haven't seen my last video, I just ate the spiciest local sum-tum ever, and my mouth is still burning and my nose is still running. Look at the guy just chilling. I don't know if I need to go up there. Low path, or I wish I could live stream right now and give you guys the option, high path or low path. Comment down below which way I'm gonna go. I want to do the low path, but high path is gonna have much better views probably. Oh god, it's not a path at all. I saw that over there thinking it would connect. Look at the beautiful flowers. Are these lotuses? Almost any of the flowers that are in the ponds like this I call lotus. I have no other words for the flowers in these ponds. Let me know what these are. They look beautiful though. Nice and pink. Some of them are blooming. That one's all closed up still. What a cool place. There's a beautiful one of those flowers. Look at the electrical right there. I'm right it up, foot or so above the those fish are chasing each other. Foot or so above the water line. Wonder what happens in monsoon season when the water raises up. Those morettes are probably get soaked. Turn the power on and off. Looks like they have some sort of weather station or something there. Okay, heat, temp, and humidity, yeah. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It says 37 right now. No wonder I'm dying out here. It's cool that they have so many different paths. You can really, if you came and walked this all the time, you would not get bored. You can just take different paths around the park. Different routes. I guess they kind of all go to the same spot, but seems like we've hit another section of the park now. It's changed a little bit with these plants here. Well, I think I see the water fountain. What are the chances this water fountain actually works? It's always funny to see these water fountains and then they don't work. Quit smoking. Oh my. Okay. We got water. Whoa. It was nuclear hot. I don't know, there's no locals here to tell me if this is safe drinking water. I don't know why they would put unsafe water out of this, but you know, exploring a little longer, I think I might have just lucked out. I was gonna sit there and spend a few baht, which I know is like no money at all to fill up my bottles, but here we are. Free drinking water right in Benjakitti Park, so I'm gonna fill my boots here. I'll drink this water for a couple days before I'll let her drink it, just in case, you know. I'll let her know all these bottles came from a random mystery fountain in Benjakitti Park. The birds are really peaceful here. Over near this water fountain, you get a little bit of the road noise, but when you're more in the center of the park, you don't. Holy crap, guys. Jesus. That's going to space there. Send Elon Musk for that one. New SpaceX. Well, isn't Bangkok, Thailand funny? I started on Soi 4, looking for some street food, and then ended up in a park doing a water hunt park video for you guys. But if you guys like these videos, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next one.